Welcome to another session of Ask the Professor, brought to you by TrboTest. This question series is for the GRE test prep program offered by TrboTest, and these questions obviously apply to algebra. I am Professor Konstantine Onapolous. I have 30 years of university teaching experience, the last 12 as the Associate Dean of the School of Business. The first question we have here is if x minus 2 squared equals 16, which of the following could be the value of x? Keep in mind that we notice the answer choices are all in boxes or squares around the letters. This on the GRE immediately tells us that there are two or more answers that are true for this question. If we see an oval around the letter choice, it is only one. Again, if there's a square box, it means there's two or more. In order to solve any problem on the GRE, the first thing we should do is ascertain the information that they're giving us. On this, of course, we have open parentheses, x minus 2, close parentheses, square equals 16. All right, they're asking us to solve for x. To solve it, we simply look at the equation we have. Again, open parentheses, x minus 2, close parentheses, squared equals 16. We find the root of both sides, so we get rid of the second power off the parentheses, and we put a square around or a radical around the 16. The radical, of course, as we know, can be a minus or a positive. So it can be a negative or a positive, it doesn't matter which, so we put the sign there. The next thing we do is we just merely simplify. X minus 2 is the same thing as the radical of 16 or the square root of 16, which is 4. So the answer then is either going to be a positive 6, which is letter D, or negative 2, which is letter A. So both letters A and D are correct answers to this problem. All right, for the next question raised, number 2, if f of x equals 3x plus 5 and f of a equals 20, what is the value of a? Here, of course, as you see, they give us answer choices. They are ovals around the answer choices. So this tells us there's only one correct answer. We ascertain the data they've given us. F of x equals 3x plus 5, and f of a equals 20. Obviously, they're asking us to solve for a. So in solving, we just substitute f of a, which equals 20, and f of a equals 3a plus 5. So all we're doing is substituting the f of a over here for the f of x. This means that now we have 3a, because x becomes a, 3a plus 5 equals 20. We subtract 5 from both sides, of course, that leaves 3a equals 15. Now we divide by 3 to get the 3 away from the a. As we know in algebra, anytime we have a number next to a letter, that's a multiplication sign. So we do the opposite in order to get rid of that number. So we divide the 3 from a, which leaves only a, and we divide 3 into 15, which leaves 5. So a equals 5. As we now know, 5 is C. So a is C. Thank you.